What's up, friends, family, or fellow learners? Today I'm going to teach you how to wrap texts or images around an object in Blender because recently I've had come across this issue myself and had learned via YouTube, so I figured what better way than to spread the wealth of knowledge and teach you. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to get into a new file in Blender General. Don't save that last one. We'll delete that and we'll scale this up. So first thing you're going to want to do is go in and find your image or text that you want to wrap around the object, and by doing that you go to import image as plane. Okay, now that we've done that, we are going to scale up our image and drag it out of here and change our viewport so that we can see it. In my case, my object is turned funny, so I'm going to solve that. There we go. And as you can tell, it's just a flat image against a flat object. No big deal. You wouldn't need to do anything really for that, but that is not what I'm here for. So we're going to delete this cube. We're going to add a cylinder. We'll scale that cylinder up. And now we need to go to our image and subdivide it. By subdividing, you go to modifier, add modifier, and go to subdivision surface. We will subdivide it 6 times just for good measure, and then apply that, and this is what you've done. So now your object has a bunch of subdivisions that it can wrap around things with. So now that you've applied that, add a shrink wrap, which is under deform, right here, shrink wrap, and you'll go to target and grab this little eyedropper and click the object you want to wrap it to, which in this case is this cylinder. And there you go, you get it. In my case, it looks funny, so I'm going to mess around with these settings here and try target normal project, project, and then go to, there we go, 0.01 millimeters away made it look nice. So it's just hovering over the surface but wrapping the object. You could barely tell if you came in here and tried to look underneath it. But there it is. And I think I can scale it up and it'll keep that. There you go. So you can make your object as big as you'd like. So now that you know how to do that, you're going to apply it and you've successfully wrapped an image to an object. And that should work on pretty much anything as far as you follow those steps. Thanks for following along, guys. Here's what I had taught myself to apply it to. And your projects may look like this in the future when you need to add a image, shrink wrap it to your object. Thanks.